So the next part of setting up a document like this is knowing how to deal with master pages and how to use them. They're really useful because it means that you can add aspects to all or some of your sheets rather than repeating and replacing, moving items. You can set them up so that they appear on every sheet that you assign this master sheet to. So if you look at the example that we're trying to work towards, we've got at least two elements that are going to be repeated perhaps throughout the document, throughout the magazine. So you've got this graphic design box here, and you've got the same colour line here. So we may want to set that up so that we have it appearing on every fourth page or every fourth spread or every spread. So what we can do, if you double click, a master will come up automatically when you set up a document. So here is your pages, but up here are your master pages or your templates really. So what we want to do, if I'm just going to hit the W key, that hides all the guides. So you can then see what we're going to try and work towards. So again, going back to your spread, what you need to do is print this out and take a ruler and pencil and measure every single element that you can find. So measure the width of this box, measure the height of this box, measure how far down the page it comes, measure how far in it comes. And that's the same with all of these elements here, 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 etc. Okay, so to make something like this box, there's lots of different ways you can do it. What I'm going to do is use rectangle. I'm going to hit W, make it easier. I'm going to do it big just to show you. So got a rectangle there. Then I'm going to go Object, Corner Options, and then you've got a list. You've got each corner. You can do individually or you can link them. So we want a kind of slightly rounded corner. So I'm going to take that one. And you can see that you can play with the sizes of it. So I'll just do it at 10 and we can see how that looks. Like that. And then double click, choose a colour that best suits. So you can see, I'm going to move that on here and then hit W so we can see. So the colour isn't quite right. So you'd go back into that and try and match it slightly better. Obviously here I could use the eyedropper tool, but this doesn't exist at the moment. It's more turquoisey colour, but you get the idea. So you can play with that. And then the other thing is to try and match the actual font. So you need, so graphic design is what it says. I'm going to type that. It's all in capitals. Design. You can see straight away that's not where we want it to be. So I'm going to double click all of that. And then I'm going to text frame options. And then you go vertical justification. We want centered. Click on preview. There, that gives us a click OK, and then up here we can do centered. So obviously this box needs to change. We need to change the size of that. I would have the measurements normally, but I'm just going to go by the size of the other box or thereabouts. There you go. You can see the colour is completely wrong, But anyway, so now we need to try and match the font. So basically you just go through until you find something that kind of matches. I'm just going to click on this for now. Control B, wrong one. And we want that bold, at least. So not right, but that's how you would do it. And you can see that it doesn't actually fit. So take the size down, and then you need to just so you can see that the writing doesn't all fit in there. So we need to take that size down, and then you would need to match the font, something like that anyway, and then change font color to white. So I'm going to delete that one because it's ugly. And then a line, that's straightforward. You've got a line tool here. You've already measured your line. You've measured where it actually comes to, so you can use your guides. To get the correct sectioning, and then you can draw your line, and you would want another one however long the line is from there, line there, top of the line, and then where the line would actually start that way as well. So that is on our master page. So any page, so if we go to page 1, nothing on there, but if I click, hold, drag that down, it won't because it's on our, so if I just drag down, put that there, you can see, there, hit W, you can see